welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 10th to the 14th of October 2022 on Monday. Alex plays nice and calls for a truce as he begins working with Funane, while Mampho uses Nkosi to try get in Shoki's head on Tuesday. Alex pitches a brilliant concept regarding Fashion Week, but Funane has his suspicions. Meanwhile, Honor reminds Shoki about their shared dreams on Wednesday. Alex's right-hand man discovers a weak spot in the Zwide business, while Mampho and Shoki go through a final photo shoot to determine the new face of House of Zwide on Thursday. Alex targets someone close to Funane in his plan to bring Zwide down, while Les makes a final decision on the new face of House of Zwide on Friday. Les encounters a major setback that takes her back to square one, while Zanele is lured to one of Alex's legendary parties. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.